Hello friends, I'm Dr. Avinash Mohril. I'm Dean Faculty Humanities, Sant Gadke Baba, Amravati University, Amravati. I congratulate all the participants who are participating in this National Faculty Development Program. It's a very important activity organized by our university. It is due to the support of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Chandekar sir, our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Jaipurkar sir, and our Honorable Registrar Dr. Tushar Deshmukh sir. This activity acquires immense importance in present scenario as we are encircled with the COVID-19 pandemic, and in such situation this activity is a very important activity in a sense that all of us, all the teachers are in desperate need of it, and that is why I must heartily congratulate the computer science department of our university, where all the teachers form a very dedicated team, and due to their devoted efforts, this particular workshop, this particular national program is getting actualized. It starts from 29th of June and it will continue till 4th of July. Especially in this pandemic situation, why this program becomes important, that is to be known and understood very carefully. As COVID-19 came to us and something really unprecedented happened with our life, the pandemic and subsequent lockdowns made a very important change in our life. And what is that? For teachers, it was really a great change. We were locked inside our homes. Our students were locked in their respective homes, and we have lost communication with our students. Losing communication between teachers and students is the gravest part for any education system. But unfortunately, it was the requirement of time, it was the requirement of the, the situation around us, and that is why we had faced it. But slowly and steadily, teachers like you and me, we became restless because as we were not able to contact our students, it was very difficult to handle that pressure. But somehow, something really came to help us, and that is technology. Fortunately, from last few years in our higher education system, we are following, we have adopted the technological advancement, and most of us are using it very powerfully as a support to our traditional education process. But usually we all believe in traditional education system, which is one of the best in the whole world. But still, unfortunately, at this moment, that is not possible. And so, being teachers, we need to find out alternatives. And the alternative is that we have to contact, we have to establish communication with our students with the help of technology. And that became a little bit problematic thing. What was that? Though we were using technology, but we were not accustomed to it, and moreover, in almost all the rural areas, the infrastructure to use technology is not sufficient till date. And that is why it is very much important for us to think on both the levels. One is to use technology, and secondly, to make it facilitated for our students also. Now, technology we were using, but as I have said, that we were not expert in that, and that is why handling of the technology is also a big challenge for all of us. And at this moment, this particular National Faculty Development Program plays an important role in your whole process. In this particular program, our Department of Computer Science has planned it in a very fantastic manner. They are going to teach you many suits, we are calling it e-suits. In that, we will have a suit of communication, we will have a suit of control, we will have a suit of e-content, and virtually everything will be taught to you, right from teaching to conducting the examination also, because we always are concerned with teaching, learning and evaluation process. So on these three stages we have to look the benefits which we are going to get from this National Faculty Development Program. And I want to assure you that Department of Computer Science and their whole plan will make you really proficient in almost all sectors of teaching, learning and evaluation, because it is very much important that teachers must be well equipped, teachers must be trained, and then only it will be possible for them to inspire the students to adopt technology. I really feel that technology we are using is not at all replacement of the traditional education system which we are following, where man-to-man contact, where human contact is very much necessary. As being the Dean of Faculty of Humanities, I do understand the importance of teaching in the classroom. But right now, the situation has occurred in such a way that where we need to find out alternatives. And this is the best alternative which we can sort out. And that is why all of you who have taken initiative in participating in this program are heartily congratulated, just because of the fact that we are going with the time, because it is the demand of time right now. The time is demanding this kind of change in our approach, change in our attitude, because I also being a teacher feel it very seriously that when you teach with the help of online modes, the kind of satisfaction which we used to get while teaching in classroom, we'll miss that. But somehow keeping or depriving our students from the total education system is also not good, and that is why it is very much important for all of us to adopt these methods, though they are not at all replacement of the traditional education system. But right now we need to work for our students, friends, because the students are waiting for us. They are locked down at their home, they are really getting frustrated, they are really feeling very bad about the situation to which they are taken up, especially the final year students. Sometimes the help of this particular program is making teachers proficient, not only for teaching. Once you start establishing contact and communication with your students, the first thing which they will need is that a kind of mental solace, a kind of counseling from you and me, because we are their teachers, we are their guides, and we are there to help them in their life beyond the curriculum which is designed for them and for us also. So that is why I consider this particular program as one of the most important things in our present scenario, because that will empower us to formulate communication, powerful communication with our students. And believe me, our students are waiting for us. They want their teachers to speak, they want their teachers to tell them that they are with them. So by getting empowered with different types of technology which you are going to learn, like developing e-content, like taking examinations, like formulating communications, establishing a dialogue with our students, one thing is very important, that we are going to tell them that they should not worry about their future, they should not worry about their life, because we the teachers are there to support them at every moment, at every step. And the counseling sessions which we will conduct I really believe that that will be really a great satisfaction for you and me, because there is nobody to support them. The children are locked down and their parents are also frustrated. People are really getting frustrated, and in such situations, as you know, ages together, teachers had played this role of guiding the society in a very positive manner. So with this national faculty development program, along with learning all the parameters of technology, we will gather the kind of energy to reach to our students and motivate them to lead their life very positively, motivate them to face the challenge and consider this pandemic, though it is a challenge, converting it into opportunity. That is our job. That is the positivity which we need to take. We need to be together. We need to formulate a group and then take the knowledge from our computer science department and deliver it to the students who are waiting eagerly for you. So that is why I wish all the best to all of you. Try to get everything whatever possible, and I'm sure that our professors in computer science department will work very hard, and they have prepared devotedly, and that is why at the end of this particular program you will feel really honored and empowered to with technological advancement, with all the types of technology, all the handling of technology methods, and then ultimately this is going to benefit lakhs of people, students who are waiting for you. So let's pull our socks and work hard and deliver the great message of positivity which you are going to gather from this particular program to your students. This is the way in which we are supposed to lead the world, and surely we will do it. I'm really thankful to university authorities and also the professors in computer science department, and they have really worked hard. And at the end, I really congratulate all of you for giving such an immense response to this particular program. Let this program be successful when we will develop a very positive generation of our students for whom we are teachers, because of them we really prove our identity being teachers. So go for it, friends, and deliver it very strongly. Thank you so much.